What is up, everybody? It's Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the Trading Agent, here with a listing with my good friend Cody Walker, co-listing. We picked up a client out of the Pace Morby Creative Finance Group, and we have her listing here in North Denver in the Welby Hill condominiums. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bath townhouse for $400,000. Let's go check this out. If you have any questions, drop a comment below or text home to 720-255-1033. Let's go. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, my team and I have you covered. Please leave a comment below or reach out if you need any help.